Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge brownies, only way. Melt chocolate and butter gently, then whisk in sugar until glossy. Beat in eggs one at a time for structure, then fold in dry ingredients just until combined. Use a spatula to transfer batter to a prepared pan and smooth the top. Bake until edges are set and center jiggles slightly, then cool before cutting into squares. Gather your ingredients before starting to streamline the process. Use unsweetened chocolate plus cocoa for that dense fudge texture, and measure sugar carefully to control sweetness. Bring eggs to room temperature so they incorporate evenly and help create a glossy batter. Add a teaspoon of instant coffee for depth without coffee taste. Use a fine sieve for flour to avoid lumps and overmixing, keeping the batter tender and fudgy. Quick recommendation: if you plan to store or bring brownies to friends, grab leak-proof containers to keep them fresh and avoid spills. I picked leak-proof containers that seal tight and stack neatly, perfect for meal prep or sharing brownies without mess. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical ideas. Check the description for the container link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control the bake time to keep brownies fudgy rather than cakey. Check at the recommended time and look for set edges with a soft center that still jiggles slightly when you shake the pan. Remove from oven and let cool in the pan for a while to finish setting. Chill briefly if you need cleaner slices. Use a hot, dry knife for precise cuts and wipe between each slice for neat squares.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.